Good day, I'm Malte Möller. I'm from igus Germany. I'm hosting today here igus Spain on the ISE 2025. And today we launched a new product. It's a e-spool microphone. So the e-spool microphone is a new product. The stroke length is up to 30 meters. It's a stereo XLR recording unit. So it is possible to lift stereo microphones for the audience or for the piano or for the orchestra. So it is a machine. It has an CE, and the selling price is €7,500 for the stereo, and for the mono it is €5,500. You will find our products on our homepage. We also have an industry homepage for stage and theater technology, and the homepage is www.igus.eu. Thank you.